Okay, welcome to Day Trader channel. I'm Glenn, and I'm going to review how I use my day trading tools and try and save money with no subscriptions and very little fees for everything that I do. So of course my main tool for day trading is my platform, and this is new actually. I was using Thinkorswim and it was costing me $10 a ticket. The commissions in Interactive Broker, I've been using it almost a month now, are extremely low, which is a very good thing. So yeah, I'm still getting used to this platform and learning it, but it does a fine enough job for myself. I use alerts a lot. They will notify me of a price level that I'm looking at or need to look at. So alerts are big, and they're pretty easy for me to set. I just actually I'm going to turn this on here. I would just use this area here and click there and set an alert. So you can see I got 3 alerts for BABA right there. Actually, BABA I think was going to break out. At least I hope it will, because I'm down $100. Really slow on data sometimes in this program. Anyways, this is my alert window. I close this off, but you can see I have a fair amount of alerts there. So anyways, let's look at a daily. Yeah, it's kind of bottom there. Anyway, so that's my platform, and so I'm going to show you. Oh yeah. Also, this platform here, I don't have to pay for. It's part of my Interactive Brokers account, so there's no platform fee like there is with many others have platform fees. And I don't subscribe to any level 2 subscriptions. I don't really need them. I can watch the numbers go up and down, but they don't really, it's not very important to me the way I trade, so I don't need them. So I don't pay any subscription fees, any platform fees. I don't pay any subscription fees for scanning or finding stocks or anything. I have 0 subscriptions. It's not that I'm cheap, I just have found a way to do it without all of those. Sometimes if you get subscriptions 20, 10, 20, 20, 20, 20, you're looking at, and especially being Canadian, everything's in American, you're looking at 100, 150 US a month, which is well over 200 Canadian a month, and it all adds up. So I think I'll be able to show you some pretty cool features that I use that don't cost you a dime. So let's bring in my screen, my browser. A lot of people use FinViz, and I don't use this for day trading, but I do use it for sometimes swing trading and that kind of thing. So I have a simple account, no subscription here, and I use this screener. I really like it. I've set it up. I've used it for years, and I'll show you small caps, high volume day traders. So there's 4 stocks that I have over 20, average true range is over 3, and average volume over 3 million. And then I can look at charts if I want to on each of those. Yeah, everything's in a downtrend, isn't it? Unusual volume It's always nice to look at volume. You can set it up so it defaults to charts as well. There's a volume bar right there, volume bar right there, volume bar, volume bar, volume bar. So those are cool. And then another one to look at would be, well, let's look at short interest. Nothing. What about IPOs? Sometimes those are interesting to look at. Okay, so that's FinViz. This is something I look at every day when I am looking for the stocks to trade. And the other thing I'll do too is I'll sort my list. So I have my day trading stocks here, and these are really the ones that I want to trade. They're all have quite a lot of volume, 81 million down to 3 million. I don't like to go under 3, but I will. Anyway, so if I sort by how much have they changed that day, so you can see Netflix obviously is in the news. They just released earnings, and it's a highly active stock. mRNA also, I like that. Let's put an alert there like I do. And then Tesla. So those are high volume movers, and I watch them throughout the day. And I have the swing stocks as well, which I love all these stocks, but they're lower volumes, so I don't really want to trade those as much. I used to, but then I've kind of learned more that the spread between the bid and the ask is just ridiculous sometimes. So for day trading in and out, it's easier with a higher volume. And then over here, these are my stocks that I want to trade that day. So this list changes every day, but these four are, well, these two, BABA and TQs, I really like right now. They're my go-to, and Netflix I want to keep an eye on, and Nvidia is also a go-to for sure. So those are my active day trading stocks, and then I will add whatever I see here. Let's see, start. Oh yeah, I got an emails too that I read in the morning that show me the news. I think it's just CNBC top 5 movers or something like that. So yeah, newsletters are my first read in the morning, and then I'll open up this, and what I'm looking for here is price and also familiarity. I won't trade something that I don't really know too well. So here's a $28 stock, and I don't really want to trade these ones either cold. But here's a stock, VTYX, for $28.57, but it doesn't have any volume. I'll just ignore that. Tenet Healthcare, there's no volume. So really here, there's nothing here that I would add to my list. Then I go to StockTwits, and right here you can click on more, and it'll show you what's trending. And I'll look at the last price. Coca-Cola, I might look at that. I might add that. Wolfspeed, definitely would add that one. I'm not going to trade it, but I'll add it to my watch list. Most active, again, I'm looking at price, Tesla. And watchers, I'm just looking at price, Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Netflix, and BABA. Okay, so then I went through there. So this is my main scanner, and this is free. It's called StockBeep. And so what I will do is I'll use this one here, number 3, which is breakout in the day, and then I'll open up a second window, break down in a day, and I'll have both of these windows open on one of my monitors. And then usually I'll sort these by volume, and then once they're sorted by volume, I'll know if I see a 10 or a darker green, 15 even, those are moving. So SLB on Friday was a really good trader. Moved quite a bit. But also I won't bother with the $2 stocks, like Netflix. $3 stock, penny stock. I won't bother with those. $2 stock. So I'm looking at price. I'm looking at the percentage of change and volume. And sometimes I'll sort by change as well. That's a good sort too. And if I sort by change, you can see those are the highest volumes. And if something's really moving, that'll show up right away up here. So nothing here until LAC or Schlumberger or FCX. So there's three I would look at. If we go to breakdown, let's sort by change in volume. Where's the price? Scan there, EQT. There, I might look at that one. AXMS, SM, pins, maybe. So I keep an eye on these two, and I move it right up to about there. And right up to about there, and I make it smaller so I can only see what I need to see. So that's really helpful for scanning active stocks. So if we go back and look at StockBeep, there's all kinds of things you can sort by. Gap up, gap down. I never use any of these. You'll see the gap up and gap down just by doing what I said already here and here, but it's not a bad idea to look at different things all the time and see what's moving. Here's the gap here, so Immunex is gapped up, I don't know, gap down 73%. Snap, oh yeah, Snap was definitely a gapper. So this is really handy, and it is free. Thank you, StockBeep. Trading Terminal, I love this program. One of the best things is the stock releases, earning releases. So let's look on the 24th, which is Monday. Just a quick glance, nothing there. Coke is reporting on the 25th. Nothing big there. Let's see, nothing big there. Amazon, MasterCard. What else? I really don't pay too much attention to earnings, but I thought some other big companies were reporting coming up. Anyway, so that's really helpful. They got the heat map. Look at that, everything was green. The overview. So overview, I have the breaking news. I listen to that every day as well. So this is open, and this is open, and this is open all day. But sometimes this breaking news is annoying. So that's powered by Bazinga. You have to pay for that, but you don't have to pay for it here. Don't tell everybody. So that's really great. That'll tell you the exact second that a stock is something happening before it even moves, as you hear it on this breaking news. So this is really cool if you're into that fast movers, and sometimes I will take a look at that or listen to that. I don't look at everything here, but Pinion, I follow Andrew. He's a awesome trader. Charting, this is a great charting program. Andrew likes white screen and white and red candles. I like that too. The thing is with Interactive Brokers, I can change my charts to white, but I can't change this and this and this to white. There's a few things about Interactive Brokers that aren't up to date, that's for sure. The scanner I don't really use, but I should, because this is really good actually. Let's take a look at here. Well, I'm going to put the scanner into my morning routine. Gappers down, high volume trenders. Volume breakouts. broker. Yep, I'm using that broker. Options, Academy, chat room, simulator. I use this all the time too. So let's look at Netflix. The other day we traded really well. So over here I'm going to click on left and right, and I'm going to set a 1 minute chart and a 30-minute chart, and I'm going to set it for Friday. That is Friday. So we got this gap up here on Friday. So I'm also going to put some lines on here. That's about a good high, and that's about a good low. And one more. I want this to go up over this line. And now we'll look at the pre-market over this side. So the pre-market went down and then up. Now it's already approaching my top line, so it's active and it's relevant. Look at that, it's right up there. So what we're going to do is, how long am I doing this for? 16 minutes, that's okay. We're at the open already, and we're going to push play, but I like to speed this up by 10 times. Yeah, it's pretty fast, but actually today we'll go 5 times, okay? And I'm just going to buy 100 shares at the open. So half a minute into the open, I'm looking over at the clock. 1 minute into the open. As soon as it gets up here, I'm going to go long. Okay, I'm in. Added. Added. Down 100, down 50. I'll go 500 max. Not that I ever would in real life, but that's okay. I don't even have that kind of buying power. Buy it again. Now if it's going to come down, I'll get out. But I think it's going to go right here. See, day trading's easy when you don't have money, real money behind it. Okay, we're in 500 shares. Now what I do is I'll put in a stop. Of course there is no stop on this program, but I'll put my stop right below this move and pretend that this is a stop. I'll make it a bit thicker. Okay, and then I'll change this to 500. I'm going to get ready to sell it all. Let's speed this up. I'm going to change it to 10 times. Oh, I got my mouse on the sell button. I mean, I know that Netflix went up, but I don't remember all of this, you know, up and down in the 1 minute movements. Overall, it went up. If I went to 4 o'clock, we'd be way up probably, but that's not real. So my stop's still safe. Now let's see, if I was 270, what's my cost? 86 cents times 270. 270. Oh, 500. I mean, 500 times point times 0.86 is $430 loss. Well, obviously that's too much, but it's not too much if you were actually really trading 500 shares and you had that kind of bankroll. Okay, we're gonna skip ahead here. Over here, I'm gonna go up to like 1030. Oh, I guess we would have lost that. Oh no, it's way up. Okay, let's go up higher. Still good. Still good. Still good, because I know Netflix went up that day. And here's the close, so now I'm up KK. And I am going to get it out, all of it. There, 9,000 bucks. See how easy it is to trade? So that's the terminal. This is a really good, I mean the simulator, really good to practice trading. Still going on here, but try to make it as real as possible. So anything else on that? I think the chat room you have to be a member, which I'm not. I tried it. I don't really love it. So anyways, these three are open during my day, and then I have TradesViz, which is also free, which is my trading stats, which I don't know, I'm still kind of trying it out, see if it's any good or not. I don't really find, it's a lot of information, and I don't really know how useful it is to me. It doesn't show my commissions, you have to pay for that, and I don't really care. I mean, Interactive Brokers has incredible reporting, like really detailed. So if you're into that kind of stats, yeah, it's all there. So this is all importing my trades automatically, so I don't have to do it. And there's my calendar. So you can see this month. This isn't accurate because of my commissions. So some of these are different. But overall, 240 US. I think I'm up like 300 something. Where is that? Oh, I also use a trading log, a spreadsheet, I mean. So this is the real numbers. Let's just compare them. So Monday, October 3rd says $38.91, but it was actually $29.70 after commissions. That's not bad. And then the 4th was $64. Well, obviously there was a lot more commissions there for some reason. And I made $48. October 5th was 41 to 34. Seems kind of round. October 6th was with commissions $15. So anyway, so far this month I am up, I don't know, 300 something, which is perfectly fine with me. I'm learning this program and it's super easy to make mistakes. Yeah, what else is there? Trades. Baba. I don't look at any of this crap, really. So anyways, that's tradesviz.com. That's pretty useful. And I think that's about it. I don't like all these ads, but that's okay. So that's how I use my day trading tools. Any questions or any ideas or anything you think would be a good addition, let me know. All right. Thanks.